Alright, hey everyone. In this lesson, we're going to be learning about input into variables and a little more with variable and mathematical expressions. So let's get right into it. We learned that cout prints things to the screen like that. You can print a string, literal, like this. Or you could print the value of a variable. For example, let's say I declared an integer and named it variable. I could print out the variable like that, but there's no variable declared, so I shouldn't do that. Now, that's called cout. Now you're going to learn another one called cin. Oh, and we don't use the insertion operator, we use something else. We use that, two greater than signs. And normally cin is used with variables. So I should declare some variables first. Let's call this, I'm going to do something with a formula. So I'm going to declare a few variables of type double, distance, rate, and time. Okay. So now I want to fill these variables with a decimal value, and I'm going to print on the screen, give me a rate in miles per hour. And because we don't have an end-L, the input will be on the exact same line, and we'll store the input in rate, just like that. And then cout \n is a new line. Give me a time in hours. Okay, cin again. Oops. This will be time. And one last before I do that. What I'm planning on doing near the end of this video is implementing the distance formula. As you can see in my algorithm here, this program really has two steps. Input two numbers into variables rate and time, and then calculate distance using distance formula. The distance formula is, I'll comment it. Distance is equal to rate times time. That's it. That's not too complicated. So once the user inputs a rate and a time, we can calculate distance. And we do it like this. Distance is equal to rate times time. It isn't that difficult. What this does is it sets the double variable distance equal to the product of rate and time. Whatever their values are multiplied together will equal distance. And then we could print that out. So \n, your distance is, and then distance. And then I might want to add an end-L. Okay. And then keep your return 0. I did have some other code here from last time, but I deleted it all and restarted. So if we run this, let's build. Ooh, I pressed rebuild. Oh, whatever. Alright, it succeeded. So we start without debugging. Give me a rate in miles per hour. How about 25? Give me a time 1. So 25 times 1 is you will have traveled 25 miles. Why don't we do another one? Rate, let's say 100 miles per hour, and if you're going 100 miles per hour for 8 hours, you will have traveled 800 miles. So that's a very simple program, very easy illustration to show you input and a little variable math and how we can initialize a variable to a mathematical expression. That's really what I wanted to demonstrate here, was initialization of a variable to a mathematical expression. Alright, so I'll see you in future videos.